He's not curious.
You don't think he's sniffing around?
What?
He
Did the guy have a
smells meat.
Coca-Cola in there?
That polar bear, look at this. That polar bear smells that man's meat. That's why he's doing this. This has nothing to do with curiosity. He is trying to bite that box to eat that man. 100 million%.
I mean, this is insane.
Yeah, because polar bears only eat meat. They're not like any other bear. They're the most predatory of all bears because they don't have any other options. They don't have any vegetables. There's no grass. All they eat is fucking seals or anything else.
Yeah, photographers sometimes.
Anything that's there. Polar bears will come for you.